Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav met Shivraj Singh Chauhan in Delhi on Thursday. Prahlad Patel, who also presented the meeting. The meeting came after reports of internal differences during the Madhya Pradesh Assembly budget session. Earlier, Dr. Mohan Yadav, Prahlad Patel and Kailash Vijaywargiya met Amit Shah separately in Delhi. This time, the Chief Minister met Shivraj Singh Chauhan along with Prahlad Patel. Kailash Vijaywargiya also reached Delhi but attended a private wedding event. After the meeting, Shivraj Singh Chauhan's office released a press note. It said the leaders discussed important issues related to farming, agriculture, development and support for farmers in Madhya Pradesh. People in many parts of Madhya Pradesh are facing problems due to LPG cylinder shortage. For the last 3 days, commercial cylinder supply has almost stopped. Domestic cylinders are also getting delayed by 5 to 7 days. Oil companies said only about 15% of gas supply is currently available. This limited supply is mainly being used for emergency services and households. In Rewa, some consumers alleged black marketing. A customer named Amesh Shukla said he waited in a line at a gas agency from morning but did not get a cylinder till afternoon. According to consumers, middlemen are selling cylinders for Rs 1700 to 2000 instead of the normal price of around Rs 900. The government of Madhya Pradesh has decided that milk seller must take a license. This rule will apply to all milk producers and sellers except dairy cooperative societies. The state government will start registration of these milk producers and vendors. Authorities also inspect equipment used for milk collection, transportation and storage. The government believes this system will improve monitoring and safety. Officials say the main aims to stop the sale of adulterated milk and milk products. By introducing licenses and regular checks, the government wants to ensure better quality milk for consumers and improve public health standards across the state. A serious accident happened in Balaghat district where a Scorpio vehicle ran into a wedding procession. The incident took place in Devalgaon village of Lanji area on March 12th. The wedding celebration suddenly turned tragic. Groom Sanjay Pardhi's procession had just returned to the village. The bride and groom were dancing while relatives and friends were celebrating. Suddenly, a speeding Scorpio lost control and crashed into the crowd. Around 12 people were injured in the accident. Groom Sanjay and bride Ranu were among the seriously injured. All injured people were rushed to the hospital while police started an investigation into the accident. Around 300 women from Madhya Pradesh will be honored in Delhi for their work in urban areas. These women are working as Amrit Mitra and are connected with self-help groups. The honor will be given by Manohar Lal Khattar during the Amrit Mitra Mahotsav. The event will be held at Bharat Mandapam. Women from different states of India will participate in the program. Before leaving for Delhi, the women met Urban Administration and Development Commissioner Sanket Bhondwe on Thursday. Officials said the program aims to recognize the contribution of women working in community development and city services. A 2-day conference of young legislators will be held in Bhopal on March 30th and 31st. Young MLAs from Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh will attend the event. The conference will take place at the Vidhan Parishad building of the State Assembly. During the 2-day program, legislators will discuss the parliamentary system and democratic practices. Experts will also guide the young leaders on legislative work, debate and policy making. The aim of the conference is to strengthen cooperation between young lawmakers and improve understanding of parliamentary procedures and governance in the 3 states. The weather department has issued the first heatwave alert of this season in Madhya Pradesh. Heatwave conditions are expected in Ratlam, Dhar and Narmadapuram. The alert is for Thursday and Friday. On Wednesday, the temperature crossed 40 degrees Celsius for the first time this season. Ratlam recorded the highest temperature in the state. Cities like Bhopal, Indore and Ujjain also experienced intense heat. Meanwhile, the weather department said that on March 14th and 15th, some areas of the state may see clouds, rain and thunderstorm activity.